A brief overview of ontology by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Ontology is a fundamental concept in philosophy that has been the subject of extensive debate and discussion for centuries. The term ontology is derived from the Greek words ontos, which means being, and logos, which is used in many ways but is best translated here as study or science. In its broadest sense, ontology is the study of existence, or what exists, and the nature of being. It seeks to understand the fundamental categories of being and the relationships between them. In contemporary philosophy, ontology is a central branch of metaphysics, which is the study of the nature of reality. Ontology is concerned with questions such as: what is the nature of existence? What are the fundamental categories of being? What is the relationship between objects, properties, and events? These questions are central to understanding the nature of reality and our place within it. One of the key debates in ontology is the question of the nature of existence itself. Ontologists seek to determine what it means for something to exist and what kinds of things can be said to exist. This debate has given rise to various theories of existence, including realism, idealism, and nominalism. Realism holds that there is a mind-independent reality that exists regardless of our perceptions or beliefs. Idealism, on the other hand, holds that reality is fundamentally mental or spiritual in nature, and that the physical world is dependent on the mind. Nominalism denies the existence of abstract entities and holds that only particular individual objects exist. Another central issue in ontology is the question of the nature of properties and relations. Ontologists seek to understand the nature of properties such as colour, shape and size, and the relationships between objects and properties. This has led to debates about the nature of universals and particulars, and the nature of predication. Universals are properties or qualities that can be instantiated by multiple objects, while particulars are individual objects that possess properties. The nature of universals and particulars has been a source of much debate in ontology, with various theories proposed to account for their existence and relationship. The study of ontology also involves the investigation of the nature of events and processes. Ontologists seek to understand the nature of change and causation and the relationship between events and objects. This has led to debates about the nature of time, causation, and the nature of events. Questions such as whether events are real entities or merely conceptual constructs, and whether causation is a fundamental feature of the world or a product of our cognitive processes, have been central to the study of ontology. In addition to these foundational questions, ontology also encompasses the study of specific domains of being, such as the ontology of mathematics, the ontology of mind, and the ontology of art. Each of these domains presents its own unique set of challenges and questions, and ontologists seek to develop theories that can account for the nature of these specific domains of being. One of the most influential ontological theories is that of the philosopher Aristotle, who proposed a system of categories to classify the fundamental types of being. According to Aristotle, there are 10 categories of being, which are substance, quantity, quality, relation, place, time, position, state, action, and passion. These categories provide a framework for understanding the different ways in which things can exist and the relationship between them. In the modern era, ontology has been the subject of extensive debate and development, with various schools of thought emerging to address the fundamental questions of being. Analytic philosophy has made significant contributions to the study of ontology, with philosophers such as Willard van Orman Quine, Saul Kripke, and David Lewis developing influential theories of existence, modality, and the nature of the possible worlds. Continental philosophy has also made important contributions to ontology, with thinkers such as Martin Heidegger, Maurice Merleau-Ponty and Jean-Paul Sartre developing existentialist and phenomenological accounts of being. In recent years, advances in fields such as cognitive science, artificial intelligence and information technology have raised new ontological questions about the nature of consciousness, the mind, and the relationship between humans and machines. These developments have led to new interdisciplinary approaches to ontology that seek to integrate insights from philosophy, psychology, neuroscience, and computer science. To sum up, ontology is a central branch of philosophy that seeks to understand the fundamental nature of reality and existence. It addresses foundational questions about the nature of being, the relationship between objects, properties and events, and the nature of specific domains of being. The study of ontology has been the subject of extensive debate and development throughout the history of philosophy, and it continues to be a vibrant and dynamic area of inquiry in contemporary philosophy. As our understanding of the nature of reality and existence continues to evolve, the study of ontology will remain a central and essential area of philosophical investigation.